Hi, this is Adrian Niculescu with a third video from the series about crypto and digital currencies. So first, why this system of cryptocurrencies and digital currencies is taking slowly but surely over the world. It was built initially by millennials because we were taught that the education system was broken, but also the financial system is considered broken from so many points of view. And there are smart people who said, okay, we can do something better than the system which is owned by banks. So this was the initial drive for creating what is called now Web 3.0, which is the web of money, right? And one of the most important opportunities for the next year is to look at the new coins involving a lot of technology breakthroughs, and where they are posting all the time what they are developing right away, what is to be achieved, and things like that. So I'm looking at coins like Cloudcoin, which is a new generation type of coin based on radar, which is a superior system to blockchain. I'm looking at Ripple. Ripple wants to replace the actual bank-to-bank payments via IBAN accounts. I'm also looking at Electronium, considered the cryptocurrency of United Kingdom, having a huge community, and also they are going towards micro mobile payments. This is a niche, and all others. The mining is more and more difficult for the main coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And there were moments in 2017 when the price was very low, the mining was very hard, so it became totally non-profitable. And even I saw a huge mining company, they are doing cloud mining, and so you are buying hash power, and you receive a certain quantity of Ethereum or Bitcoin or other currencies over time, and the earnings were lower than the maintenance fee, and they took money from people. So people bought packages, and at a certain moment the company said, okay, we need to stop because everything became non-profitable. And of course people were upset because they lost money, and the company came with a bright solution for them, not necessarily for the people involved. They say, okay, what you need to do if you want to keep your account active, you need to pay in advance, so put more money, to pay in advance the maintenance fee for a year, so we will keep your account active, and the returns will be the returns which was pretty bad, if you ask me. Those videos could not be considered investment advice. I only share with you what is working, and what is working for me and for the community I'm part of, what I've learned in the last 2 years, but always, because this is a new industry with high volatility and of course with high risk. So all the time, please do your own due diligence. And I have an advanced training for you, a course called Crypto Uprising, which is launching these days at a very discounted price. I believe is around 70 to 80% discount. Is a deal for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But what included is not for the weak people, because it has a lot of content. You will come back over and over because the course will be maintained and will be updated with what's new in the market. So I'm going to my computer to tell you some of the subjects which are included, and there are two layers of the training. Is the initial training and even more advanced one, so you will enjoy the process. And if you like my style of delivering information, my style of teaching, you will love crypto uprising. Okay, so some of the subjects, I said, I'm looking at my screen now, will talk about the history of blockchain, what is proof of stake, what is proof of work, what are hard forks and soft forks, what is cryptocurrency, how does blockchain works, blockchain pros and cons, what is a coin burn, what are the costs involved in mining, proof of work and proof of stake, what is mining, what are the 51% attacks. Also in depth, what is Bitcoin, what is Ethereum, what is Cloudcoin, and analyzes about the first 20 coins, the top 20 coins, including their history. Also about trading, what is liquidity, introduction to candlesticks, what are makers and takers, moving average, what is ransomware, private key security, how to keep your private keys secure, wallets online and offline, how to identify a scammer, common scams. By the way, about scams, I will let you know about a huge scam I was about to be a victim of. Fortunately, but it was so clever. You will see inside of training. You will never believe that. And about exchanges, because cryptocurrencies are traded on exchange platforms. So how to use a cryptocurrency exchange, anti-phishing code, basic interface guide, how to deposit, how to withdraw, limit orders explained, market orders explained, sub-limit orders, and others, plus some nice bonuses you will see on the presentation page for Crypto Uprising. So if you want to find more about crypto and digital currencies, and to actually use this last opportunity, as I call it, for the little man to hop on board, so sign up today. So thank you very much, and see you on the other side.